Hi guys, let's take a look at this question. Hydrogen cyanide is a very poisonous compound used in the manufacturing of plastics, mining of gold, and as poison. 2.1. Define the term chemical bond. So chemical bond is a mutual attraction between two atoms resulting from the simultaneous attraction between their nuclei and their electrons. Draw Lewis diagrams or structures for 2.2.1. Hydrogen cyanide. Okay, so we have HCN. Okay, so it's going to look something like that. So you'll have two dots on the right side of hydrogen with 3 on the right side of carbon, then 3 on the left side of nitrogen and 2 on the right side of nitrogen. Then for water, I'm going to write it on this side because it has sort of an angular shape. Okay, so I'll start with oxygen. Okay. So oxygen has 8, right? Hydrogen both has 1. So they will share 1 dot with oxygen. Okay. 2.3. What is the shape of the hydrogen cyanide molecule? It is linear. You can see at the Lewis structure. 2.4. Calculate the electronegativity difference from the cyanide bond. So 2.4, electronegativity difference. So we go to nitrogen. Nitrogen is 3. And we go to carbon, 2.5. So the electronegativity difference is going to be 3 minus 2.5. And I get 0.5. 2.5, what is the polarity of the hydrogen cyanide molecule? Write on polar or non-polar. It will be polar. Okay, then they give us a table with the values of the bond length and bond energy of CH and CN. 2.6. Explain why the bond energy of CN is more than the bond energy of CH. Okay, this is because, so 2.6, CN has a higher order bond. So with a higher order bond, there is more orbitals that are overlapping than in CH, which is a single bond. 2.7. Explain the difference between bond length of CH bond and bond length of CN bond. Okay, they want 2 marks. So you can say that the bond length of CN is longer than CH because the hydrogen atom is smaller than the nitrogen atom. Okay, that should get you 2 marks. 2.8. Will hydrogen cyanide be soluble in water? Yes or no? And then in 2.9, you will have to explain that answer by referring to the polarity and the intermolecular forces. So a hydrogen cyanide will be soluble in water. So it's yes. And we got to explain that using polarity and intermolecular forces. And we need 3 marks, right? So you could say like both molecules in hydrogen cyanide are polar, right? Both molecules are polar. HCN, hydrogen cyanide, has dipole-dipole forces, intermolecular forces, and water has hydrogen bonds, all right? And we know that hydrogen bonds is also dipole-dipole forces. So they are like forces. So like will dissolve like. And that is why hydrogen cyanide will be soluble in water. Okay. And that is it, guys. See you in the next one.